Hi, I'm Roberta LaRocca, a realtor and broker salesperson with Simply Vegas Real Estate. Welcome to the Towns at Union Village by Century Communities, located in Henderson, Nevada. If you are looking for a modern, stylish, low-maintenance lifestyle, these brand new townhomes could be exactly what you've been searching for. With floor plans between 1,405 and 1,479 square feet, options range from 2 to 3 bedrooms, all with attached garages. So step inside and discover their bright, open interiors, ideal for entertaining or relaxing. We'll start with a look at the kitchen and great room options. Each home features modern kitchens with quartz countertops and elegant cabinetry. The stainless steel appliance package includes range, microwave, and dishwasher. Upstairs, you'll find spacious bedrooms, spa-inspired bathrooms, and ample storage for all your needs. These contemporary townhomes are crafted with high-end finishes and thoughtful designs. All bathrooms have granite countertops with 4-inch backsplash. Also included is a variety of energy-saving features. There is an option for a dual primary suite. You'll enjoy close proximity to Costco, Galleria Mall, and the surrounding shopping and hospitality. Plus, you're steps away from the Union Village Medical District, offering world-class healthcare and wellness services. With easy access to major freeways, you're just a short drive to all that Las Vegas has to offer. With move-in ready homes, as well as limited time builder incentives, there's never been a better time to make your move. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description for more details about these homes, including floor plans, pictures, and more. Or contact me today for a private tour of these or any other new or resale homes in the Las Vegas area. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive property tours in Las Vegas, Nevada.